Welcome to Linux Help. Today we are going to see how to use functions on Asterisk Dialplan context on Oracle Linux 9.3. Asterisk functions are very similar to functions in many programming languages. Functions are sophisticated subroutines that helps you manipulate data in various ways. Callable from within Dialplan and the Asterisk variants interface. First I am going to check the OS version by using the following command. The OS version of the Oracle Linux is 9.3. Next I am going to the following location by using the following command. Next I am going to edit the extension.conf file for use dialplan function by using the following command. Add those following lines. Save and exit from the file. Now log into the Asterisk console by using the following command. Once reload the dialplan by using the following command. Now connect the extension by using the phone software. Now one account is added. Now connect another account. Another account also added. Now make a call to check dialplan function by using a phone software. Now I call from 1112110. Now the call is coming. Now I cut the call. Now the Asterisk dialplan function is working fine. Next time check all the function of Asterisk by using the following command. This is a process to use Asterisk Dialplan function on Oracle Linux 9.3.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.